like, look, it's a Nissan Kicks. It's kind of fishy, man, how all of a sudden Nissan like dropped the Nissan Kicks. Like, where did that come from? Like, where did that come from? Where's my check at? You know, it's just crazy going through all these different cars and me not being like satisfied with them, even though they're sick ass cars. It's just not my image, you know. It doesn't feel right when I'm driving them. But you put me in this car, it's 100% me. I have no problem with being in a Z every day. So I'm picking up these coilovers. I'm like right around the corner. So I need to pick these up real quick, rush over to the homies, try to beat this traffic, rush over to my boys real quick, and get the fenders rolled. Back to the shop, see the progress on the S15. The motor should be out and the VQ might be in there already. Like I said, I already have the mounts, so it's real simple, just slap it in there. And bam, there it is. We got the Flex Z's. But man, I just have to say this, to all my people out there, man, it's just like working, grinding, like must be nice for this guy to be able to just buy this or buy that. Don't let other people's success or other people's lives make yours feel like you can't do the same, you know what I mean? Because there was plenty of times where I was in that same position, you know what I'm saying? I would see everybody else doing this and doing that, but here I am like broke as hell and I couldn't buy any car parts, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't just go out and buy brand new coilovers for my car. It just wasn't my time. You just have to be real patient with life. Like, don't rush stuff, just let things happen naturally, but always do your best to just do better every day. Every day, man, doesn't matter. If you just do one little thing, as long as you're trying to do better than you did yesterday, over time, it's not gonna fail you, I promise. So, stay dedicated, stay working hard. Have a goal for something every day. It could be a Koenigsegg, it could be a GTR, it could be a 350Z. Whatever your goal is, just never stop thinking about it. Just think about that every day until you obtain. You know, eventually you're gonna get frustrated that you don't have what you keep thinking about, and you're gonna find a way. So, never forget that. Damn, dig. Clean ass food. I'll probably end up doing this to my dash. It's pretty sick. Definitely need that digital display in mine. So probably have a similar setup in the S15. Clean ass food. It's just dope. RB25. Very nice. All the fenders are rolled now. Very nice. Oh, yeah. About to get a ride in the Art Bizzle. It's your debut right here. I need that. Oh, yep. The shooting rods 20 times is out. Camera died, so had to pull out the iPhone. I'm trying to get these coils done. Done. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna slap my wheels on. I got the T's in the garage. They low-key need new tires, but I think it'll be fine for now. But these gotta go, bro. I can't do it. It's nah. Coils all set up. I'm gonna do the rear first. All right, progress. Stock suspension is off. Let's go. Add this on here. So I'm just gonna max it out. From my knowledge, these don't go that low. So I'm just gonna max it out. If I wanted to go any lower, I could just actually not use this piece and full send. But let's see how it sits with this. I think it'll be fine. The driver's side. Very nice, I like. There we go. VHR boys coming soon to a street near you. Man, that's all. Yeah, that's these. Well, yep, all the new motor is here. All the harnesses, everything. So we're gonna be putting this in tomorrow. I have the mounts. Where are they at? Oh, they're right here. And trans mounts, motor mounts. Hey man, we ready to go. Honestly, I don't even care about this shit right now. I'm so tired. And finally, I got everything finished. Looks clean, a lot better. A lot better. These wheels still gotta go, but it does actually look a lot better on these wheels with it being lowered. Put my T's that I have, since they're just sitting in the garage anyways, waiting for the G35. I'm gonna put them on here for meanwhile until I find a different set of wheels. Those are 18s. Dun 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 dun! You already know I got up early this morning, put them damn T's on, took the other wheels off. I can't do it. Full detail, interior, exterior, wax, coilovers, wheels. Not bad for 2 days. But yeah, so sometime next week, I'm gonna tackle all these interior pieces. I have to take the door panel off, repaint all of these, repaint this, repaint this. I'm probably gonna take this whole piece out of my other Z since I'm not driving it right now. That one has a bride boot and some carbon, so probably take that out for now. Like I said, and that's pretty much it for the interior, honestly. I'm gonna get another in-dash. Oh, that reminds me. That's what I'm doing today. I almost forgot it. I need to swap this steering wheel. Ugh. Damn, so glad I was talking to you guys. I almost forgot this. So yeah, this steering wheel is in a lot better shape than that one. So yeah, that steering wheel is in a lot better shape than this one. This one's just, the leather's gone on it. So for now, I'd rather just use that. I don't really want to put a quick release. I hate having that airbag light, and I don't feel like taking everything apart. So yay, man. A few little things. Also, I need to, it's a real hard process of getting the number plaque. You have to like register the car. You have to call like all these different people, and it's like, honestly, I feel like if I'm making another plaque, it's probably gonna take me 6 months to a year. But whatever, I'll try to figure it out. So let's get this day started. Oh yeah, definitely looks 1,000 times better. But yeah, coils still need to settle, probably about another quarter. The only way to make 18s look really good is a super meaty tire setup, or just slam it. But I don't really want to slam this car that low, so most likely gonna go with 19s. Gives me a little bit more room, but shit, looks a lot better for sure. Very nice.
Now what's hitting me? This fucking piece of shit of VVL, the engine can't even tell.
No more. Damn, that brand new Transa. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Good like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this.
Like flatten it out a little bit. So this VVL shit is being a bitch.
Yeah. Okay. Just push. Yeah, that's cool right there.
That's cool.
Yeah. Just pull the engine towards you. I'm hammering this shit.
So everything is pretty solid, but since the VHR wants to have this little dildo on the back, it's just not looking good. HR would have been completely fine, but you know, shit happens.
We're just fucking starting, like, we turned out driving around already.
Yeah, hello.
Okay. If I could, it looks like it cleared it really good.
Yeah, it cleared.
Yeah, just fucking do it instead of holding the shit.
Alright, where the fucking bushing at?
There's one right here.
I don't need one.
Slight chassis modification.
Alright, so on this side I need to go in. Yes, on my side I need to
Go on which way?
now the other way. It's completely wrong. Yep.
Look at this clearance, bro. All because of this VVL shit. 6 hours right there.
Yeah, if you put like 3 hours later, we put it in.
6 hours later. 6 hours
That was
later.
like a solid 5 hours.
We've been working on shit the whole fucking goddamn fucking day. We would have
A cool 5 hours.
Crazy.
Alright. Fold this shit, push it all the way to the back, and we're not gonna need it.
Sheesh. Talk about fitment. So yeah, they've been at it all day. First they had the motor in, tried to get the trans on that way. That wasn't working out. They had to drop the whole subframe. Wasn't working. The fitment is just ridiculous with the VVL head and the extra stuff that's sitting on top. But fuck, it's in here now. Just gotta do the trans mount. Guys, it's no bueno. I know you see this perfect fitment, right? I'm gonna have to get rid of that shit. Look at this. It sits so low. First dip. Oil pan gone.
What did George do?
I have no idea.
Why did he go from over there?
Look at that. So now it's gonna be off to my boys to the custom turbo kit. Not sure where I'm gonna put it yet, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, look at how low. Oh no, bro. Oh hell no. I mean, it's drivable, but that's the oil pan's lower than the sway bar, so that's not smart. So I'm gonna probably have to raise the car a little bit. I don't want to, man. The fitment is perfect. Sad boys. Yeah, I feel bad for them, bro. It took them all day. Because HR doesn't have this. This is for the VVL. But yeah, if you guys can see, obviously the clearance on that, this was making it really, really annoying to try to get into the car. So as far as it looks, I think I'm gonna be good. Like with the hood, with the manifold on, the manifold's gonna sit about right here. So I should be good as far as the hood clip. Anything, run a really small spacer. Yeah, look at the Nismo looking a little clean over here. I still need to swap out the steering wheel. Oh guys, there it is. Took them all day, but motor's in there now. So it's gonna be really close with the hood, but we'll make it work for sure. So you guys can see, we are over here swapping this wheel out. If you're wondering why I'm swapping the wheel out, I don't know, just look at it. Oh no. Oh no. It's just when I'm touching it, I'm just like, mine over there is in a lot better shape. Good thing I actually kept that, because I was thinking about selling it one day, but it actually came in handy, so. All right, man. Much better. Mine's not perfect, but it's definitely in way better shape than the other one. Let's make sure all my buttons work. I didn't do anything wrong. It's always the deal breaker, right? It's always fun. Plugging everything up. Whoa. See. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay, cool. We good. Oh wait, blinkers. Cause I messed with the clock spring. Okay, cool. We good. Look at this bad boy right here. She's ready, man. Going to the shop. I'm gonna fab up this turbo kit. Oh, I'm excited to drive that thing when it gets finished. Honestly, my original choice was to go HR just because I knew that it worked. I chose to go VHR so that way we can tune the car on EcuTech. You know, it's just more features and it's just, I can have a little bit more fun using it. Versus HR, we just have up rev, so whenever we're gonna have to pull that trans off, we're gonna have to pull the motor. So basically anything happens with that car, just gonna have to pull the motor. It's gonna suck, but it is what it is. Alright, I caught up to George. Damn, the S15 looking like a snack. looks good on the trailer too.